back to my channel. My name is Mercy Neka, and for today's video we are doing something a little bit different. So for today's video we're going to try to prepare a full-blown meal for under $5. Yes, you heard me right. Like, I've never done it before, so honestly I don't even know if I'm gonna be successful, but the idea behind this is to help you out or help someone out when you're in a really like tight fix for money and you need to cook something. So we're gonna go to the shop and see if we can actually get stuff for $5. Today guys, we are pushing boundaries. So let's get shopping, and before we go, if you're not yet subscribed, please click the subscribe button down below, because moving forward you're going to be seeing more of me and my little kitchen, because I finally decided to embrace the foodie in me. So let's get going. I'll see you right here when we come back. Bye bye. Hey guys, so I am back from the store. I'm just gonna go through everything and show you guys the receipt. Okay, so I got pasta, and I think this went for a couple of cents. Then this is ground turkey for protein, and these are jalapeno peppers. And I got some broccoli, onion, and some of this. All right, so as you can see, most of these are like Walmart brand, because since we can afford the luxury of like name brands. So that's it basically, and I did go a little bit over the budget, 537. So I was over the budget by 37 cents. So guys, in case you're wondering why I have a lot of jalapeno for this food, that's because the Nigerian in me, guys, I can't eat food that's bland, so it has to be hot. And I'm pretty much done with slicing up the veggies, so I just have to work on my broccoli and separate them into tiny bits. So I also wanted to say, moving forward, my channel is going to be featuring a lot of food related content, so it's not just how to, guys. So it's going to be everything from food challenges, how to, vlogs, but basically centered around food. So if you have anything you want me to talk about or to film, let me know. I'm not an expert, guys. This is just me trying out different stuff because I like to eat. So let's get back to cooking. Hey guys, so as you can see, all my veggies, everything is all cut up and ready. So in place of this, you can use a regular pasta sauce. So let's see how this works. So the pasta has been boiling for some time now, so I'm going to take it off the stove and run some cold water through it and get started on my sauce. I already have this at home, just a little bit. So your onion, I just put some of this at this point, not all of it. So I saute this for a little bit, and ground turkey. So I always run water through it because, I don't know, I've worked with a lot of people who actually don't do that. They just bring it from the packaging and it goes straight to the pan. So you want to leave this to cook for a little bit. So guys, at this point it's been cooking for say 15 minutes, and this is good enough. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my other veggies or leftover veggies. So this is the onion, jalapeno for heat and also color. And basically, you know how we do it. Yeah. I can't seem to save my life. Like, take a look at this. You have your protein, you have your veggies, you pretty much have everything you need for a balanced diet. I think at least that's what our parents would say. I'm just gonna leave this to dry out and to cook for a little bit more. Yum. I'm feeling like an adult. An economical adult. Just add up your pasta and then you stir and stir. Time to add in your spice, some bouillon, equivalent of Maggi for Nigeria, a little bit of salt, this nutmeg, just a tiny little bit. I love nutmeg. I'm adding a little bit of paprika for color. You don't have to do this. Guys, take a look at this. Are you not proud of me? I'm proud of myself. A tiny little bit of water. And at this point, guys, I close it for say another 5 to 10 minutes so that the broccoli and the pasta gets to cook. 10 minutes later and the pasta has been cooking for a while, so I'm just gonna go ahead and like, it's really looking good. I guess you can say food is ready. I can't sing to save my life. I should stop doing that. Alright, so we're all done.